A job doesn't give you life. It gives you a rental on your life. Do you know why? Because the day you stop working, your lifestyle stops too. In 2026, the poor look for a job, but the wealthy build income. What is the difference? A job is selling your time. Income, however, is an invisible force. It is making a system work for you. In this video, I will show you how to escape the employment trap and build permissionless wealth without having a boss or an office. First, if you are new to the Money Mindset channel, subscribe and become part of the family. Midway through this video, I will tell you a secret called the ghost income. This is how you earn money from businesses that have no physical product or visible service. Stay tuned until the end, because at the conclusion, I will reveal the 24-hour cash flow engine, 3 strategies that bring you money while you sleep at night. Why a job is risky. Everyone tells you having a job is security. This is a lie. The single point of failure. Having a job means having only one source of income. If your boss says you're fired, your economy collapses 100%. The time-money paradox. In a job, you must pay minutes to earn dollars. But your time is limited. Temporal slavery. It is giving away your time in exchange for money. In 2026, your time is your greatest asset. Pillar 1. Asset-based income. To get money without a job, you must not be a worker, but an owner. Digital real estate, building YouTube automation, a newsletter, or niche blogs is the same as building a house on digital land. These work for you 24 hours a day. Tokenized cash flow. Learn how to collect rent without building a physical house by using assets like crypto staking or real estate tokens. Self-governing assets. These are assets that grow by themselves without your constant control. Before moving to Pillar 2, subscribe to join our family. Like and share this video to reach more people. Pillar 2. The skill of value arbitrage. Earning money without a job doesn't mean being unemployed. It means being a value creator. The leverage principle. Don't use your own physical strength. Use the power of AI and automation. AI can do the work of 10 people for you, while the payment goes into your pocket. Skill monetization. Package your knowledge once as a digital product, then sell it 1,000,000 times over. This is called build once, sell forever. Infinite scalability. This is the ability for your single product to reach billions of people without you becoming exhausted. Pillar 3. The psychology of the jobless rich. Leaving a job is scary. Why? Because we have been programmed to rely on a monthly paycheck. Deprogramming. Change your mind from an employee mindset to an entrepreneur mindset. Risk management. Don't quit your job today. Build your side hustle income until it matches your salary. Then, make your exit. Financial anti-fragility. This means that no matter what the economic situation is, you won't collapse because you have various sources of income. Conclusion. The 24-hour cash flow engine. In 2026, freedom is not about not having a job. It is about choosing your work. The formula. Put the active money you earn into an asset. Make that asset bring you passive income. When that passive income covers your living expenses, you are a jobless millionaire. If you want a list of 10 businesses that can be started without a job, write "no job" in the comments. Subscribe. Remember, a salary is the drug your employer gives you to forget your dreams. Thanks.